Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to give you the demo of this new application, iBeam Profile Prefix. This application reads the profile of the member and updates the part prefix and assembly prefix. For example, I'm selecting this replace existing prefix and part prefix. It means it will delete the existing prefix and add the part prefix. So now you can see, if you also want to change the assembly prefix, then check this box. Let me delete it first and then add prefix. If you keep this box off, then it will not delete the existing prefix. It will just add this part and assembly prefix. Let me delete this one. If you want to update this numbering series to all the members in the model, it will be very time consuming because you need to first read the profile and then go and change it manually. With this application, it is just a matter of click. I'm using this filter option, object type equals to part, profile type does not equal to B, which means except the plate profile, it will select all the profiles. So let me just do the cross selection. Just disable this assembly prefix and then keep only these two boxes on and click add prefix. Let me create the report, prefix list, create from selected, and you can see here. Let me select the member and check once. So this is UV section, this is an equal angle, and this is PFC, and the next one is UB, and this is UC, and this is square hollow section. This application will be very helpful if you want to add profile name to the part and assembly prefix. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.